Hi everybody, this is Don Pope. I got another one here. I got two more to go. I want this one first. And
They should do that one last because you gotta do assembly of that one.
Oh yeah. This one I want to do. Yours. I'll show you guys assembly of that one.
What is it?
Open it up. We got the cords.
What kind of cord are those for?
For me, for my cell phone.
Yeah. And other people with cell phones that might need to use it too?
Yeah, people with cell phone need it. They can't keep it either. It's mine.
You can't keep it. It's mine. Selfish.
No, because
selfish.
Because
hold on, wait. You gotta talk about this a little more. Don't go in there yet. We're not about this
this is my phone. Fit on my phone. Fit on my other friend's phone. I won't mention his name. And my other roommate, if he's not here, I don't know if he fit it on his phone. I don't know. And this fit on this phone right here. And there's I have one on right here. I'll plug in right now. There's this is works on this kind of phone right here. See, this is phone right here. And it works really good. And I have it plugged in right now. I'm charging it right now with this on it.
Okay, and cut.